A few days ago on Twitter, I asked you guys to send me your party shot recommendations. I was so overwhelmed with responses, I did some research and I decided to split it up into multiple part videos. So we're going to do multiple part videos on the party shots. And there was a subsect of them that were cereal shots. Cinnamon Toast Crunch, Fruit Loops, and I'm forgetting the rest of them, but we'll get to it in a minute. Let's get some ice over here. So the first one is called the Cocoa Puff. So we're gonna need a ½ ounce Bailey's. We're gonna need a ½ ounce of Frangelico. Frangelico is amazing. This is something everyone should have in their bar. It does look like Mrs. Butterworth. That's very good. A ½ ounce of Sailor Jerry's. Any spiced rum would work. This is just the only spiced rum I had on hand. Kind of overpoured that. Not the best spiced rum, but it's something. And we need a ½ ounce of our vanilla vodka. Gonna go with 3 olives here. 3 olives is another, so I definitely overpoured that one too. These ½ ounces keep running up on me. 3 olives is another vodka I recommend everybody have on hand. The basic flavors. Shake. Work, senora. Work it all the time. Miss Sin's in the background being a fashion model with her new scarf.
I like it.
I'm gonna pour it into our shot glass. Cocoa Puffs. Wow. That tastes like the milk after a bowl of Cocoa Puffs. Holy shit. The Frangelico really shines through on this one. Get a better rum if you can, but this is damn good. Take it.
Tastes like spicy milk.
Cocoa Puffs. Wow. Next shot. This next one is called the Captain Crunch. I love me some Captain Crunch. Miss Sin is giving me a hell of a look off screen because of a traumatic incident she had with Captain Crunch. We need an ounce of Tequila Rose to start out with. Ounce of coffee liqueur, Kahlua in this case. I was gonna go with the Mr. Black, but Miss Sin said, no, you need the coffee liqueur flavor. Fine, whatever. And then an ounce of our vanilla vodka, same as before. The 3 olives vanilla. And our tin, over ice, shake. Strain into our shot glass. The Captain Crunch. I don't see it. It's good. Don't get me wrong, but it's not Captain Crunch. There's way too much strawberry. It's strawberry vanilla. There's nothing captain-y about it. It's a good shot, though. You want to give it a try?
Sure it doesn't taste like Captain Crunch?
I'm positive. It doesn't taste like Captain Crunch.
Like you said, you make me drink it?
No, there's no Captain Crunch. It's a good shot, not Captain Crunch.
I like it. Doesn't taste like Captain Crunch.
Captain Crunch. Up next, we have the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. To start off, we're going to need an ounce of our rum liqueur. I assume this is rum. Horchata Conran, Caribbean rum with dairy cream. Okay. So an ounce of our RumChata. And next, we're going to go to an ounce of our Fireball. As you can see, this is a fresh crack. Miss Sin specifically asked for this bottle and never drank out of it.
When did I ask for that?
When we were setting the bar up like a year ago. And an ounce of butterscotch schnapps. Now this whole thing is just liqueurs. It smells amazing though. Oh wow. Shake. Almost poured it into the jigger. The Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Oh my god. Oh, that's bang on. This is bang on to the milk after Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Oh my god, that's amazing. That's my favorite one so far.
It's the first one that tastes like it's supposed to?
Yeah.
Oh, that's delicious.
Isn't that good?
I love it.
That's good.
Here, you finish it. I finish it.
Okay. You gotta tell me twice. Honey Nut Cheerios. Need an ounce of the RumChata. I'm not too hip to RumChata, so I'm pretty happy with that. I'm gonna super glue these things on. And an ounce of, oh, I should probably pour it into the thing. And then an ounce of honey whiskey. Went with the wild turkey honey here because I can't stand Jack Daniels, and apparently JaMBeans doesn't make one. So we'll work with what we got. God damn it. I'm so smart, I forgot to put the wild turkey in before I shook it.
I shake it again. Getting a little tipsy.
Whoa. Now we have the Honey Nut Cheerios. Yeah, I can see it. This one's growing on me. This is growing on me a little bit. I don't know where I'm getting it from, but there's just like a little tinge of like honey. Probably from the honey whiskey. That's pretty good. I like that one.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
That one's pretty good.
I'm keeping this.
This is called the Fruit Loop shot, and we're going to need an ounce of everything here. We're going to need an ounce of heavy whipping cream. I thought it curled for a second. It did not. My eyes were just playing tricks on me. An ounce of the heavy whipping cream. We need an ounce of the loopy vodka. I can already see kind of where this is going. Again, loopy from 3 Olives. The entire flavor profile on this one is going to be based off of the 3 Olives. And the heavy whipping cream and the blue curaçao are for color, which is fine because it's a shot. Any cocktail, you kind of you drink it with your eyes before you even pick it up. So I get it, it's fine. But I just think this is a easy way to call something a breakfast shot. All right. Oh, that's very pretty. That's very pretty. Holy shit, this is the best one of the bunch. Mm. Wow. It's that one or the Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Oh, wow, that tastes well, of course it does, but still. Okay, so if we're gonna break it down at the so far basis, it goes Cinnamon Toast Crunch, this one, Honey Nut Cheerios, the Captain Crunch, and the Cocoa Puffs. Those didn't taste like it at all. We have one more though. Final one, honey, no. Hi, shy, need me, Lucky Charms. Lucky Charms shot. A little bit of racism towards the Irish, that's okay. They're not actually people.
Wait, I'm offended.
Oh yeah, my Kraut McFriend. An ounce of Pinnacle whipped. I pull that line out all the time on Miss Sin. My Kraut McFriend, and she never understands it because she's never seen The Godfather because she's a heathen.
I mean, I know it's from the God.
Then we need 1 ounce of almond liqueur. Gonna go with Di Serono on this one because my personal favorite. And you don't have to do brand names like I do brands. Like you could get any other, like one of the fancier almond liqueurs or a fancier whipped cream or, you know, the Blanton's honey. Oh shit, that is actually a thing. You get that. But I just use what's cheap and at hand because I'm poor. And it's just what we're doing. Shake. Shake, 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 senora. Bang. This doesn't look at all like high shishais. Tastes nothing like the cereal, but it's still really fucking good. Try it.
Lucky Charms?
Yeah.
It's good because I like Disrono, so I like it. And the honey's good in it.
Yeah, but it's not Lucky Charms.
It's good though.
Alright guys, thank you for watching. This is just the first part in a multi-part series on party shots. If you have any party shot suggestions, leave a comment down below. It would be much appreciated. Any video suggestions, I see a bunch of them out there. I see the guy who asked for gin drinks. I see the guy who asked for, I think it was ammo, asked for cocktails from Bar Rescue. I see you. They're on the list. So they will be done. If you have anything like that you'd like to see, leave a comment with it in the comment section. Please like, share, do all that stuff YouTube enjoys. And consider becoming a patron. You patron one thing, you're a patron of all of them. Thank you to the patrons down below. I am on Twitch, Twitter, TikTok, Patreon, and I have a slew of stuff for you to watch. I can keep you entertained for hours. We're going to do that in today's video, but first we have some stuff to unbox, open, what have you. So let's take a look-see poo. Oh, that's awesome! That's so cool! Oh, this has to go somewhere up there. I don't know where, but this is going somewhere up there. Thank you so much. No name. California, thank you. Oh, there's two of them. That's so cool. Yeah, no name. Thank you, California. Much appreciated. And this one from somewhere across the Atlantic. If you're going to send me stuff, please put your name on it. Ooh. Northern Ireland. Sin and Sass. Shawl as promised for Miss Sin. Hand wash, dry, flat, sorry. Dry, flat, sorry. Tog yarn composition fobbed in reference, and I was here in Dunley Castle for my birthday trip. Horseback riding in Northern Ireland. History buff. Thank you so much, History buff. Awesome. The Scurf.
Ooh, it's my favorite color.
That's nice.
I love it.
That's really nice.
That is very nice.
History buff. Thank you.
Thank you, History buff.
Uh-oh. Realize. This looks far too small for me. I don't get it, but thank you. No name on it. Nope, no name on it. Do those eyes look familiar? Because they don't. And a onesie? Jesus loved the little munchkins?
Okay.
My kids are much too old.
Is this the correct PO box?
Yeah. Now, I don't know what's in here, but I do know that 223 was very excited for me to get it. This is a little impromptu. I didn't plan on doing this. I'm doing this right before I shoot the AAA 106, so this will be going up next Friday because the Golf City video has to go up this week for my buddy. Check out his pilot if you haven't already. So I'm just going to stick this one in there. Let's see what's in this package. I have to Bob Barker it because I don't have my, I don't know where my lapel is. It's somewhere. I know that, but I just don't know where. So I'm going to have to Bob Barker it. So let's see. There's a little note on top. Set this down so I can open it. Hope it makes it to you well. I attached some money to send it to Drunkle and his, I'm sorry. I attached some money to send it to Polly. Drunkle is on record saying he'll pay for shipping to get his stuff. Chesapeake Bay snack mix. with Crabtown and butter toffee nuts. Heh, nuts. This one says Drunkle on it. Oh, there's the ship in my. Look at that. It's a little fish. That's cool. I kind of want to just like set this somewhere and never use it. That's awesome. And Polydor. Bang. Hey guys, 223 sent his nuts in. Heh, 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 heh. Let's see what else we got in here. Ooh, root beer flavored whiskey. Hold up. Oh, this is cool. Maybe I can set this like this. Yeah. This is neat packaging. It's called Wine Skin. Take a drinky poo of it. If the camera angle's off, that's because I don't have anyone here helping me. Alright, let's take a drinky poo. That's amazing. Oh my god, that's delicious. Hell yeah. Ellington Reserve root beer flavored whiskey. Man, that's good. Thank you. That's awesome. We got another Baba in here. Oh, don't fall. Oh, Bushmills. It's the Peaky Blinders one. No way. How cool. It's a freaking awesome thought out package, too. I do love some Bushmills. Order of the Shelby Company. Ooh. We're gonna have to open this one up too and have a little drinky poo. Wow. That is pretty tasty. I believe. Oh, no, there's a little box at the bottom. Hey, how fancy with this can I get? Haha, magnet. Can you guys hear the magneting? No, never mind. No magnet. Whoa. Oh boy. Holy shit. We're gonna have to put a little tick next to 223's Comma Club. Holy shit. You didn't have to do that, man. That's awesome. Thank you. Wow. I'm at a loss. And how the hell did you fold it like this? I almost don't want to take them apart. And if I do, I want to take them apart in such a way where I can learn how to do that. Holy shit. 223, thank you. Thank you very much. Wow. This is probably worth this whole channel, honestly. Holy shit. Whew. I think even though I'm not streaming, that means I could have some of my Kama juice. Two, two, three, thank you, sir, really. It's greatly appreciated.